Where'd he go?
He turned towards yours.
I know, Oh, he's right there again. Flip yours, by there. Here, give me yours, give me yours. Give me yours, give me yours. I still see him. Here, hold this. Hold this. I still see it. Fuck, I missed it. The sun's glaring in my eyes. Damn, it's a bass.
That's not a bass.
Yes, it is. That's a... Oh shit, watch out. He fucking turned. That's a bass, bro. You see that thing? That thing was like a fucking 5-pounder. Oh my god, dude.
It's right towards it.
You see him still?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
Oh, just going straight. You're here.
Huh?
Pull up.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh my god. You see him?
Yeah.
Where's he at? Is he by my thing?
No, no way that was bad.
That, dude,
I know, but that's so funny.
that's a giant in this tiny creek. That was crazy. Oh man, if I would have caught that thing, that would have been crazy.
Probably outside of there.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to cast around where I saw him. That thing was so big. Dang, I really wish I would have caught him. Oh my. What? Yeah, there's like normal bass. But that thing was definitely a giant. I've never seen a bass that big in a tiny creek like this. Here, you can fish. I'm gonna keep casting. Here, come on. That thing was definitely a 5-pounder. That thing, I thought it was a giant carp at first. And he was right where you were casting at too. I won him. I guess we're heading towards the right area. Damn. I'm gonna catch his ass. I don't know where he's at though.
There's 2, 3.
I know. Those are all the ones I saw. Pull up here. Pull up. Wait. I told you. There's some big.
What the hell?
I told you. I saw all those. Oh, that's a football. Cast back in there. Cast
All
back.
together.
I know. Cast back in there. You gonna take a picture real quick?
Yeah.
I told you, dude.
I wasn't even paying attention.
Okay. Let me go.
Wait. Dude.
It's like a 2-pounder.
I wasn't paying attention.
Dude, those are the ones I saw. Are you sure it wasn't a rock?
Oh yeah, I am for sure it was
I don't think we have enough lures. I think there's fish down there.
Mine was when I saw it swimming to the side. I'm watching.
I mean, there's like a stick laid down right there. If you said took set straight up so I don't get smacked in the face.
He's both of us feature of both that is.
You have one right there? Alright, you wanna walk down some
I
more?
don't know how that could be a stick, but
You see it? Like, there's like a fat stick laying
oh,
across.
really? It's not that, it was farther back.
Oh,
Yeah, it ain't too big. Like
Damn.
Yank,
Holy shit, deep right. Oh, your boots are gonna be filled with water. Holy shit. Put it in your bag. Where's your cat? You got one? Yeah. Where you want it? Just anywhere.
It's like the top one. Because I felt it grab it, I felt it shake twice.
There you go. Yeah. Bro, we were walking up like pretty much to our waist. Let me get a quick pitch here, right here, yonder. Yay. Felt like I just had a bite.
Fuck up.
You can't come down here. You can't swim.
Hey! Hey, you're dumb. Keep walking. Get a step in. Get a step in. Get a step in. Idiot.
Go get it.
Y'all are doomed.
Oh, shit. Y'all are doomed. Y'all are like 8 years old. Shouldn't you be at school? This is like throwing rocks at us.
I'll fuck with that.
Get a step in now.
He said, "You're dumb." He said, "They waved to us." I said, "Oh, get a step in."
Did they wave?
What
Hell no, we didn't wave to you.
What do I say to him?
Huh?
What did I said something else and get a step in.
So I don't care. Get it. I don't remember. I was recording that though. That's funny. Yeah. What? What? Oh, that's a fucking gun.
What the?
Yeah.
Gun found on while fishing?
That's a gun.
Gun found while fishing? I'm kind of scared to touch it. Why?
Bro, that's a gun. See it?
No.
Is it real? Are you kidding?
No, it's fake. Well, not fake, but it's.
I'm about to say, bro.
It's about airsoft gun.
Wow.
What a shoe! That shit is dope. That was dope. Hold on, let me see that shit.
Hey, don't shoot it over here, bro. What? That's wild.
Hey,
That's
let
wild.
me see that shit.
That's wild. You found a gun. So what does that look like?
I know, because I don't want to look like a retard and be like, that's not a gun. Don't point it at me. What? It's pop, 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 pop.
Bro, that's wild.
That's dope. It's the CO2 shit. Dude, imagine
I thought
walking
that
up-
shit was like. Hey, because.
It shoots out air here. Feel it.
No. That's wild, though.
At first I thought.
That's wild.
You want to bring it home?
No.
I'm bringing it.
It's broken. That's why it's probably in here.
The wall. Look what I can do.
Bro, what if that was real? We found a
Dude,
murder.
I started pulling shirts like, boom! I'd be like, how come your shot was so big?
It's incorrect because it's fucking full of water. Holy shit.
That's dope.
That's
like the whole
dope.
thing on
I have this. I was recording that whole thing. Oh shit. Okay.
I just. Hey Tristan! Hey, look what I found! I found it! Ah, fuck.
That's lit.
Hey Tristan, catch!
Bitch. But there's BBs in that shit.
Josh said, I found it! Fuck.
Alright.
I can't help myself! Once you feel it,
What the hell? Snack. Alright. Wait, where's Tristan's rod?
put it on that rock.
I don't even see it.
It's over there. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Dude.
How you feeling?
Hey, your pole's on that
Here.
rock. Let's see if you lock.
I just.
Hey, it gets deep, so make sure your stuff's not
When
in
you
your
pull back,
pocket.
the sink can drop down and it like.
It's because it's broken. That's
Hey,
why
you
it's
see
in
how
there.
deep we are?
Here.
I make sure your stuff's okay.
Hey Tristan, watch the water. Huh? But
Yeah, bro.
Josh did. It was sitting right there in the bank. It's a little airsoft gun. We swore with Josh. We thought it was a real gun. Josh pulled the trigger and went. Pah!